So here's a Chevy Silverado 2016 4x4. I'm having vibration, not really vibration. It's knocking noise once the truck gets in rhythm on the road. My thought was to change out the CV axle and the stabilizer spacer, which I did, and I still get the noise. Took off the wheel well. It sounds like it's coming from somewhere up in here. As I'm driving or my wife's driving, I'm putting my hand here. I can feel it vibrating, but there's no service engine light coming on. There is no vibration in the steering wheel, which is really odd. Anybody have suggestions? Let me know. I've checked everything down here. Everything is solid. Everything's in shape. My next thought is maybe the transfer case, maybe the drive line. Who knows? Let me know your thoughts, man.